Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix can't select world to Fortnite Lego. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, or you might be getting the issue wherein you can't select any world in Fortnite on Lego. Well, currently Fortnite Lego is quite popular and a lot of people are currently playing this thing or this specific game mode for Fortnite Lego. So currently, as you can see, there's around 287,000 people playing right now on Fortnite Lego, which is a lot. So considering with the other play modes here, like for example Rocket Racing, Festival Main Stage here, and Zero Build here, 287,000 is really a lot. Now in this case, most of the time, if there are so many or too many concurrent players for that specific game mode, then most likely that is the cause. So since Fortnite Lego is quite popular, especially on peak times, then you might get this issue here. So fortunately, there's going to be a workaround that we could do here, but I'm not sure how this actually works. But what we could do here is just basically load up on any other game mode that we have right now. Like for example, you could go to Battle Royale here, and you could go ahead and start a match, and once the match actually starts, you could go ahead and exit the game itself, and from there, go ahead and try using Fortnite Lego again, and from here, see if that solves your issue. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.